You just watched my first ride on my 1953 NSU Max motorcycle. I've been restoring this bike over the past 9 months. I've worked hard on it every day. I tell you, that was the most satisfying few miles I think I've ever put on two wheels. There are a couple things I noticed afterwards that I didn't know while I was on the ride. First, I had the steering damper cranked, and you probably noticed this in the video. I was sort of moving side to side. That was the culprit. I had it cranked down because I didn't want the front wheel moving around while I was working on it. I figured that after the fact, loosened it up, it rides great. The second, I had the needle in the carburetor installed wrong, so it was running incredibly lean. I fixed that last night, took it for a quick ride. Getting that correct, getting that needle in the right spot, really improved throttle performance. So those two things, I wish I'd known. I think that first ride could have gone a little better, but I tell you, I'm super pumped. In the next video, hopefully we get this out, we take it for a good ride. There's still a lot to do here, paperwork, inspection, and figuring out how to insure this. So lots to do still, but the next video on this, I really hope to get out and take a trip. I've got one planned for March. Really hope to get it done this year, but it didn't happen. Everything took longer than I thought it would. I didn't get there. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you later. If you enjoyed watching today's video, here's another one you might like. Check it out.